Welcome to PowerPoint Nightmare.
Probably not once you saw eye-burning presentation. I mean, easy-looking bright background, unique and easy-reading font, don't forget the classical question picture, and of course, playful effects. Sorry. It doesn't matter who you are, what is your profession or hobby, but if you ever made a presentation, this video is for you. There's a million ways how to make a powerful presentation and not put people in coma. In this video I will share 5 amazing recommendations how to start presentation if you are one of this profession area. Are you just making the presentation? Let's begin. Let's begin. Number 5. If I would be a writer, I would start. It's pleasure to be with you today. My name is Mario Point and I'm the writer. Number 4. If I would be a clinical professor, I would start. I would like to in the audience silent, please. Shit. Don't worry, I will handle everything. Choosing a clinical profession is very responsible and careful purpose. Number 3. If I would be entrepreneur, I would start. You live only once. Stop complaining and start doing. Wake up your inner beast. Wake up your heart.
Who's gonna pay for this?
Who's gonna pay for this? Number 2. Okay, a little bit universal. If I would be actually me, I would start. Good morning, everybody. Today we're gonna talk about how to make best presentation, which can be number 1. If I would be graphic designer, I would start. The background is one of the most important part of presentation. Hello, my little friend. How are you? You should choose a color that is soothing to your eyes. It can be white, black, pastel, but not the color that would make you want to throw up. I said no to bright colors. Mouse, please change the right color. Dear PowerPoint God, please give me a gun. In gangsta style, please. Die, you little Die! Die! Where did I stop? These are only few examples of how PowerPoint gives you a freedom if you just think outside the box. It's so amazing to have possibility to make your content so joyful and interactive and easier to translate your message for your audience. All these templates you will find below in the description are free and you can use it however you want. Subscribe my channel and every week I will share with you how to be the best on presentation. By the way, comment below and try to describe topics about what you usually are talking on presentation. I will choose 3 or more comments and will share ideas how I would recommend starting presentation on your topic. Be unforgettable. Bye.